Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we're going to be looking at Sketch-to-3D render. Okay, now in order to find this particular feature, if you're starting for the first time, once you're in the dashboard, select create design, then select the fast AI image designer. Once you select the fast AI image designer, you'll be transferred into the main screen here, where there'll be a number of different tabs to choose from. You need to select the AI design assistance. Once you select the AI design assistance, go ahead and under step 1 it will ask you to select a category, and we're going to go across and look for sketch to 3D render. So this essentially will take your 2D sketches, okay, it doesn't matter if it's a house, a car, whatever it may be, and it'll actually convert it and transform it into a 3D render. Okay, so it's asking me to upload an image to convert. So just imagine maybe you have a sketch of a house, maybe a car or some kind of building, maybe a device, maybe an invention you're creating. It does not matter. It could be a drawing, some kind of design, either personal from your client, and you can actually use this particular feature. Okay, so I'm going to go choose from library, and you can see I've got some sketches here, and I'm going to go for, got different versions to choose from. I'll go for this house here. Okay, and with this one you can actually convert this. You can be more specific if you want exactly what you want, but for this I'm just going to go ahead and generate image. Okay, so I'm not going to enter anything. I'm going to allow Artist to do that for me, and whilst we're doing that I'll go through the same process again. I'll go to the Sketch-to-3D, choose from the library, and this time I'm going to select this car here. Okay, so this is a 2D car, same process, and select generate image. So what we're going to do, we'll give that a few moments for that to load. Okay, and check this out. That's a really beautiful image there. Okay, and if you remember, that was the house that was 2D and it was converted. So check that out. That's a beautiful transformation of that sketch. And let's have a look at the sketch. So you probably can see it already. It's actually side by side here. So that was the original sketch. So it's taken this drawing here, okay, and then it's converted it into this beautiful 3D render property. So just imagine estate agents, surveyors, or architecture, etc., or building parts or components. It could be electrical, mechanical, maybe toys, gifts, whatever it may be. And if you remember, we also had this car here. Okay, so we had this car here, I believe, and you can see now, did we? Yes, we had that car there, the Porsche. So that was the one that we used, and check this out, it actually converted that as well into a lifelike, well, super realistic, stylish creation, okay, into a real life Porsche. And you can just imagine the beauty of this, of doing this time and time again. Okay, taking those sketches. So that was a great example I just wanted to show you of the feature called Sketch-to-3D render. So hopefully you've enjoyed this short video, and I shall see you in the next video.